Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel, Where's Brittany? I'm Brittany and I'm coming to you from outside of my tiny home on wheels, Domino. We're gonna keep going. Yeah. Alright, let's go. We're just gonna take it slow. Going into this video, let's see, so Matt, I don't think I show him in this video or the next video for that matter. Basically he is part of the film crew for Tiny Home Tour, and you'll see his vehicle, his van, in the video, and you'll also see his dog. And basically when the video starts, I met up with Matt prior and we found two different campsites in Idaho, but the first one didn't work out and the second one didn't work out, and so now we're on a hunt for this magical third campsite, and it doesn't go as planned. You'll see. As you saw, this road is kind of crazy, so Matt went forward to try and see if it's a good decision to keep going, because technically we're supposed to go down another 1.5 miles. We got some good instructions from a BLM ranger, and he was like, oh yeah, do this and just go 1.5 miles down. Look at the road. This is the road. Pretty gnarly. So yeah, Matt went forward. Hopefully it's not too crazy and we can keep going, because this view, I would love to wake up to this noise. Well, it's not noise. This music. So I lost service and now I'm left with a dilemma. Like, he can't call me to let me know it's okay, and he also can't call me to let me know it's not okay. So I don't know what to do. So I think I'm just gonna keep going until I can't go no more. I'm nervous. Really, really nervous. Okay, take it slow. Oh. Y'all, this don't look as bad, I guess, from the camera, but this crap is so scary. Ah! Domino has pretty good clearance, but it still makes me nervous. The road has gotten a little bit better, a little smoother, flatter, less rocks. Make it moves. I do have a dash cam. I should probably use my dash cam more often, because these faces, woo child, y'all need to see what I see when I see it, and you need to see my face when I see what I see when I see it. Cause baby, ooh, take this slow. All right, bye y'all. So I see Matt's vehicle, which means he didn't have to turn around, which means Domino is probably gonna make, not probably, Domino is gonna make it, cause if a freaking like Ram Sprinter thingy can make it, Dom can make it. She has pretty good clearance. All right, y'all, we almost there. Cause look, if I couldn't make it, oh, I'm gonna have to step out and move a rock out the way. 1 second. Ouch! Let's move this thingy out the way. Let's keep going. Almost, guys. We are on this, like, out in the boonies. Woo! Make sure nothing has fallen. This is really testing my building skills, because good gosh. Smooth. We made it out, but this isn't the spot. The spot was supposed to have cell service and everything, and went down that crazy road. I just lost 10 years of my life. Now we're gonna back it back and try and find another spot. Help, I loop this bitch around. No other words for it, but Domino is a wide girl. But we made it ish. Half the battle's done. Now we're looping back around to make it out. Bye, y'all. Oh, he is hauling ass. Like, whatever. Domino is very precious. So I am taking my time. I'm going like 5 miles per hour. And this is a 1.5 mile long road. Whew. But nothing has fallen or anything. Knock on all the wood that's inside of Domino right now. Whew. Yeah, like I am just so stressed out right now. I mean, this is exciting. And this would be so dope if I had like 4-wheel drive, had some big stupid donk tires like on this bad boy like I had in my old like Wrangler. And my Wrangler was lifted hardcore. This, oh, that's a big boulder. Oh, y'all, Jesus. Jesus probably like, when was the last time you hollered at me? Don't be calling my name. I know. Thomas to me had no business out here in these streets. Oof. I think this may be it. I lied. This wasn't it. Oh. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Oh. I am gonna sleep so good tonight, wherever we go. I'm gonna sleep so good because like, I'm so happy she's not painted. Because if Domino was painted, this would have been an oh hell to the no. Cause scratches. Oh, we are coming up on the bridge, so maybe like 500 feet. Ooh. Ooh. I swear. I don't think it was this bad. This shitty. Ah! Okay. I was going too fast. Oh. When I tell you we built this thing for it tough, even though it's a Chevy. Woo. Cause that bed frame is holding. Oh, yes, Lord. The Lord, like, why you calling me? But yeah, no, we are almost in the clear. Wow, I can't believe my clothes rack is still hanging up. Cause that's like, that's a piece of circular wood and some L brackets that was flattened to hold it in place. I think that's it, y'all. We made it. Okie dokie, trying this road. It's a lot smoother. So here's hoping this one's it. that was really nice, but again, no cell service. But I think this will be great. Oops. All up in my face. I think this will be great for me and Andrew if we were to come back, because we can have the dogs here. Like, it's literally right by the water. It's 2 fire pits, and it really wasn't hard getting out here. The road was not bad at all. It's just no service, but when I'm with him, I don't need service. Mwah. This is Stella. This is Matt's pup. Look, Jay. Are you mad? He was hot.
Oh hey, I liked your post. That's what you care most about, babe. Just scrolling. I like there, repost there, retweet, type here if you wanna share. But don't you dare call me. Did you hear about blah blah blah? Subscribe to La-di-da.
Good morning. This is day 3 or day 4. I don't know, but it's time to make some coffee.
State of emergency, the Wi-Fi. It's up.
It's crazy. Today has been a doozy because I've actually been recording all morning, doing a tiny home tour. I'm not going to say too much, but yes, that's what I'm actually doing out here. And now we're on our break, so I just made some lunch. It's time to eat because your girl is like tired. So we made it halfway through filming the first part and we got hit with freaking rain and heat. So we're actually going up the mountains a little bit more to try and find a nice cooler spot to film and to basically make up camp tonight. I'm super excited. And this is just so beautiful. I feel like this is a backdrop and I should be able to start singing The Sound of Music. The hills are alive. But for me, it'll be like, the hills are alive with the sound of trap music. Ah!
Digital spell, eyes lost in virtual hell. See all my followers, they adore me. But there's a price to pay. I'm losing myself every day. Filters to find my face. A selfie away from a social grave.
Lights, camera, action. So I'm at the spot and tonight I'm actually going to experience my first thunderstorm. Well, I don't think it's going to be a thunderstorm. I think it's actually a lightning storm. But yeah, I've never experienced one of those in Domino before. And the lightning has already started basically in the south, so you really can see it. I am kind of nervous because I'm in a bus. So that's the thing, you know, open field. So yeah.
Which iPhone case can I buy that says I must have been born in the wrong time? Wrong burns and we're chasing dollar signs. Holy easy. The new drink upside down. We spin around. Me, toxic, techie disease, digital spell. Eyes lost in virtual hell.
Alright, I am starving actually because last night I was too tired to cook, so I had a banana and granola basically for dinner. So I'm about to set up the camp stove and probably just make some toast really quick and some coffee. Freaking Matt frothed up some like cream, so I'm gonna use that. And yeah, so I'm gonna get to it. Okay, so I'm attempting to make grits with propane. Like, I haven't done it before, and you have to cook grits on low and constantly monitor them. So let's see how this turns out. Just gonna check on the battery.
But there's a price to pay. I'm losing myself every day. Filters to find my face. A selfie away from a social grade. Edit your life, not your post. Who do you think you are, my ghost? Over and over again, I will spell it out for you. S-O-C-I-A-L-O-L B-I-G-I-T-A to hell. On tombstones, I'll see our username. It's our digital spell. Eyes lost in virtual hell. See all my followers, they adore me. But there's a price to pay. I'm losing myself every day. Filters to find my face. A selfie away from a social grade.
This is seriously one thing like I really hate about living in a vehicle. These type of situations. That's a big old wasp, and I need to get, oh, he left finally. Close it up. So I think this is where I'm going to let you guys go. There's one more part afterwards when my visitor comes. Basically, we're there for a few more days. We go exploring the area, and yeah, it's a good time. But I just thought this would be a nice spot to stop because Jayden looks so cute. So with that, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe if that's something you like. I'll see you guys on the next adventure. Thank you. Bye.